Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi everyone, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. We're so happy to see you. Zyaba, you really wanted me to read you a book about dragons. Zyaba, we don't have time to finish the entire book. Where it says, do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I have a very special bookmark with your favorite character, Light Fury, from How to Train Your Dragon. Let's bookmark your book, and next time we will know where we stopped. Do you know how to make this bookmark? Zyaba, I have a very special guest today who will teach us how to make this bookmark. Olivia, come on in.
Hello.
Hi, Olivia. How did you make this awesome bookmark? Can you teach us? You will? All right. We need the following supplies for this project. Construction paper, cardstock, ruler, glue stick and pencil, and scissors. Let's begin! What should I do first? Do I need to make the body like this?
Yes, you need to make it exactly like this.
So first I think we will need a ruler. And we will use the cardstock to make the body. Next, I need to make the hands, right?
Okay, yes.
And next, we need to make a face, right? It's a bit of a triangular shape. Tiny horns. Cut the face. Olivia, can I see your face? Nice! Okay, next is pretty difficult. Oh my goodness, you know what I forgot? I forgot to make a cute tail, but that's okay. We can just make it more straight, right? Let's make the tail like this. Next, we need construction paper. So with construction paper, we need blue and black. Okay, that will be the eye. Check this out. We will fold black paper too to get pupils. I'm going to fold it and we'll have identical, symmetrical eyes. We need a glue stick now. Hi, girl! Oh my goodness! And last but not least, we need some white reflections in the eyes. So let's fold two pieces of paper together again and make tiny circles. One eye and another. Look, got Olivia. Would you like to make her nose? We're going to glue at the same time her hands. Yes, of course. That's so cute. Look at this. Look at this smiling Olivia.
I want a glue heart on mine.
Okay. You can trace a heart. Is it ready? Let's show it to our audience. Look, this is so beautiful. Wow. Yay!
Which one's your favorite?
Of course yours, because it has so much love. I hope you liked our project. Subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for
Watching our